We could soon be seeing a major change in U.S. immigration. I'm Andre, immigration lawyer, and there are reports that the Biden administration is considering executive action to allow what's called parole in place for undocumented spouses of U.S. citizens. I'll get to what parole in place means, but generally, when you come into the U.S. with a visa and then marry a U.S. citizen, even if you've overstayed that visa and accrued unlawful presence, you're still allowed to adjust status in the United States. You can get a green card in the United States without leaving. But if you came in through the border, if you are undocumented, so you were not admitted, inspected, or paroled, and then you marry a U.S. citizen, you can get that process started by filing Form I-130, but eventually you will need to leave the country to attend the consular interview. At that consular interview, you will be found to be inadmissible, and you're going to need to apply for a waiver, a pardon. You do not want to be stuck outside of the United States to do this. So there is a mechanism called the provisional waiver that allows you to file for that pardon in the United States before you leave. But it's going to take a lot of arguing. You're going to have to show extreme hardship to a qualifying relative, like your U.S. citizen spouse, and you're going to have to wait a very long time, something like 3 to 4 years. So parole in place would allow you to be paroled in the United States, so that would count as a lawful admission, which would then allow you to adjust status and get your green card in the United States and not have to worry about leaving the United States or getting stuck out there. So we're going to need to wait and see what happens. But if it does, if parole in place happens, it would be a major development that would provide relief to many, many people in the United States. Follow me for more news and tips on U.S. immigration.